Hi everyone, today I would like to share with you how to make oil glazed roasted peanuts. It's one kind of traditional dish in China. It's a side dish. It brings a lot of memories when I was little. My grandma often make this with another dishes when we have a feast together. And it's one of my favorite. Now let's get started. First, put some oil to the pan. Cold oil, cold stove first. So stir the peanuts. Make sure the oil coated around the peanuts. Once it's coated with oil, turn on your stove in a medium-low heat. Now you can hear the oil is seasoning, and you also hear the cracking sound. So gently stir the roasted peanuts. Make sure you keep the fire in medium low, that way your peanuts won't get overburned. Stir the peanut occasionally so the peanuts won't get overburned. I already smell the fragrance from the peanuts. It will take about 3 minutes. Once the cracking sound is slowing down, it's time to just turn off the heat. Okay, it's done. Take the pots off the stove. Now all the roasted peanuts transfer to a plate. Then what are you going to do? Just need to put some salt. Drizzling on the top of them. You are done. You have the oil glazed roasted peanuts. Let me try one. Very good. Crunchy, little bit salt. Tastes very different than you roast it from oven or it from a microwave. Different texture. Hope you try this at home. Once the peanuts cool down, you can keep in an airtight jar for its freshness and crunch. Look, somebody already take a big scoop out of my peanuts. It's really delicious. It's a very good snack. Hope you enjoy it.